Service Pump and Supply proposed variable frequency drive to use our pump station along with the pressure transducer to supply those customers.
What we've done is installed a variable speed drive that recognizes the system demand and pressure, and we have set that pressure where Ripley wants it to pressure up the system for the homes and the people in the community.
There's no degradation of the water quality that they receive, which is very important for the City of Ripley. We want to give people the best water that we can, and Service Pump and Supply helped us accomplish that goal.